Hello friends, I am excited about today's video. Hopefully it works for me. I'm going to be making a tray, but I'm going to be adding some paper inlays to it. As a typical craft hoarder, I have so much paper that I will probably never be able to use. So I've pulled this out because there are a couple of pages that I want to use in it. So this is from Craft Smart. I want to say that I got it at Joann's or Michael's. I can't remember. But this is called Chateau. And I'm going to flip to the pages that I want to use. So. Don't worry. It's okay. It was just my stir sticks falling on the ground. Ah, I'm a mess. Anyway. So this is the page that I want to use. There's two of them, 2 sheets. And I want to cut out these designs right here to lay inside of a tray. So you can kind of see how that's going to look inside the tray. And so actually I'm going to be doing 3 layers here. Hopefully I can get the measurements good. We shall see how it works out for us. But I'm going to lay down some resin, lay down the designs, and then I'm going to cut specific designs out for the second layer of resin so that it sort of has like a 3D pop effect to it. I'm really hoping that it works out because, I don't know, I just like this idea, and we shall see how it goes. So the bulk of the tray is going to be clear, and the handles, I'm actually just going to use my cast and craft in to make them white. And then, let me grab it real quick. For the paper designs, I will be sealing them with, I grabbed the wrong one, sorry, 1 second again. Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer. So I'm going to, after I cut these out, I'm going to spray them a few times front and back with this, and this is going to protect the paper from curling in the resin. So this is going to be a very long process for me. It should be a good quick video for you. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get started cutting all of this out, getting my resin ready, and then we will pour. So enjoy the time lapse. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alrighty, friends, it's cured. I'm so excited. I started loosening it up and then realized that I did not turn my mic on, so hopefully you guys can hear me now. It's looking really cool from the side. It is still a little bit bendy because this is the Dr. Crafty, so I'm not at all surprised by it, nor am I worried about it, because this will be resting on a flat surface to cure. Well, what do you guys think? I'm trying to show you like the 3D part of it. I guess the bird's not a good example, but the flower is. It's really kind of hard to pick up on camera. I guess you can kind of see it there and there, like in the sides. But anyway, other than this piece moving over when it was curing, despite my efforts to stop it from doing such things, I'm super happy with it. I think it turned out great. You can really see the 3D effects in real life. Sorry that you can't see them on camera. Well, I guess actually if you look at the flower here, you can kind of see it. But yeah, so that's the tray. I'm really happy with it. Definitely stay tuned for the glamour shots at the end as always. If you like content like this, please stick around by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. And if you like this video, please leave it a like. It makes me smile and it pleases the algorithm gods. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on Tuesday. Take care.